Wildfire evacuation alert from Clackamas County Sheriff's Office. Level 3 go now. Evacuation from 2-mile radius around Dinger Lake, including Enville Lake, northwest of Timothy Lake. This affects remote campsites and hikers only. Leave immediately. It is unsafe for you to stay in the area. Your life could be in great danger. Emergency services personnel may not be available to help you if you choose to stay. Do not stop to gather your belongings or protect your home. Follow your emergency plan and leave as fast as safely possible. Do not call 911 unless you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue.